Mary coming to you with another live video. Today I'd like to discuss the Facebook group, Successful Solution Method, and why we use the side banners and how we use those, and especially I want to get this out of the way if you're new. So I'm sharing my screen with you today. I want to show you my Facebook profile and why I have it set up the way that I do. So, first thing you want to do is make sure you have a nice banner like this one here. It looks professional. It gives a little detail about yourself. You can put a picture on here, and it just really makes things look really, really professional. And that's what you want if you're trying to promote yourself and you're trying to brand yourself. So yeah, always have a nice looking banner and have it professionally made. Don't try to do it yourself because it'll look so much better. Anyway, this is just going to scroll down a little bit and show you some of my Facebook profile here. Some of my posts that I've made. As you can tell, it's looking pretty good. A lot of pictures, a lot of branding myself, a lot of income proof from this business that we're involved with, and it's just really got to set yourself up to be a success if you want to be a leader in the business. So when I talk about side banners is this right here, and this is professionally made. As you can tell, the side banner here matches my, I'll scroll back up here. It matches my banner up here, which is really, really awesome. It really makes it stand out. But what we use this side banner for is, this little link here is linked to our Facebook group. And with having it linked there and being on the front page of your cover, you're going to get a lot of exposure to your business. You're going to get people wondering, well, what's going on? She looks like a professional. Maybe I'm going to have to check out to see what she's into. So the reason for the banner is to get eyeballs to the Facebook group so that they can check out the group and see what we're all about. All they have to do is just click on this little link here, and it's going to take them directly to that Facebook page. So if you're trying to set up your profile and you're trying to make it look nice and you're promoting a business, go ahead and just get yourself a banner made. Show off your personality, put a picture in there, and just make it look really professional. So this is how we use our banner, and I'm going to show you. If we click here, it should take us to the Facebook page. Looks like it's loading a little slow. There we go. And there it is. That's how you use the banner. Takes you straight to the Successful Solution Method Facebook group. And with having that link in there and taking them directly to this group, this way, it is a public group. You're welcome to look around, see what we're all about. Just take full advantage of checking this awesome program out, because it's really changing people's lives. So in this Facebook group here, we've got our discussion. We have our units here. When you decide to become part of the program, it'll list different units that you can start with, like Unit 1, start with the announcements. It'll explain everything in great detail. Order additional traffic. One-on-one meetings, getting those set up. Web banners, commissions earned banners. Those are really cool. I'll show you those real quick. Sorry, my computer's running a little slow. So as you can tell, we have all these nice little banners. So when you get a payment, you get a notification of one of these banners. These were our first original banners, and they keep adding and updating them as we go along. And they're looking really, really awesome. It's just great graphics. So anyway, you have the units, you have your announcement. That is basically telling you, welcome to Successful Solution Method. And it just goes into details on telling you what you need to do, how you need to do it, why you need traffic for your to get eyeballs on your offer, money, creating consistent sales and income. This is this joining process if you would be interested in that. And then also just take advantage of the program because it's changing people's lives basically. So yeah, when you click on that banner link, it's going to bring you right to this Facebook group here. And over here, you'll notice you can invite friends. If you have anybody that you think would be interested, talk to them and get them over here. Just go ahead and invite them and then hook them up over here to the announcements to get them started to learn about the process. So this is quite the ordeal here. It's a very, very good group. Our members are really supportive. If you go into discussions, just give you a quick overview of that. People can post, whatever they need, income proof, support posts, this here you do not have to be a great marketer to win here. You just have to be good at following directions. So yeah, this post here is basically, supporting the new people, letting them know that, they can join this program, that they're gonna make money with us, and they just need to follow directions. It's mapped out, it's laid out for you. You just follow it step by step. Videos are involved. There's no questioning exactly how you're going to get started with this because everything's there for you. We have payment proof right there. We've got another post here. Somebody joining in at the bronze level. One of our members here is talking about engagement. This program allows you to learn how to properly promote yourself and brand yourself, and also helps you get engagement eyeballs to your Facebook page. And as you can see here, Kurt has 621 likes, 654 comments. That is like amazing. He's doing really, really well. But it's just, it's just a support group. Here's another payment. Here's another payment. This is for our webinar. We have webinars every Wednesday. And it's very informative. It goes in great detail about what the program is all about. And so if you're interested in joining us on our webinars, come to our Facebook page. It's always posted. This link here will take you directly to get registered for it. 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Here's another payment. And it's just an awesome group, an awesome community. So much so much support. It just blows me away with how easy this program is and how everybody's succeeding. So yeah. So the side banners, like I said, go back to my page. You'll get one professionally made. You'll attach it to your Facebook details over here, and you'll enter your featured banner right here. You'll put your bit.ly link here, which will you'll connect directly to the Facebook group, and then that way you can get a direct input to the Facebook group and have people check it out. So anybody that visits your website, or excuse me, your Facebook profile, they'll see that nice, gorgeous banner, and they'll be like, ooh, it's so pretty. I wonder what she's doing. So they're going to be curious, and they'll click the link, and it'll take them to our group. And then you'll be able to browse the group and see what it's all about. And if you're interested, there'll be ways to get you started. So this is the side banner. Again, this is how we use it. I hope this explains a little bit about why we do this and what the purpose of the banner is. So anyway, I want to thank you for viewing this video. And if you have any questions, feel free to get back with me. I'll be happy to answer any questions that you have. And so I look forward to making another video for you explaining some more details about our program. So in the meantime, thank you for viewing and have an awesome day.